क्या जावेद? अच्छा हो गया
It
सिलेक्शन?
The
was
first reaction was only
very out of the world
relief,
feeling for
supreme
me,
relief.
seeing my name in the PDF list. And
मम्मा
I could not handle 2 मिनट तक मुझे कंफर्म करने में लग गया था कि ये हाँ मेरा ही रोल है. And then उसके बाद the first thing I did was call my parents.
The fact that the cycle is done, I'm done with the cycle for my fourth attempt.
At that moment, I just shouted as loud as I can as I could, and I think that moment was when that.
The first page directly I saw
For the past 5 days, I couldn't eat at all. I couldn't focus. I couldn't sleep.
I didn't search for my roll number because I forgot what my roll number was. And then
What
I
an
searched for
experience it
my
was.
Dad and they were also very happy.
Although they
forgot to
I had tears rolling down my eyes. It was very emotional.
I was very much happy.
I imagined the role in my
Still I'm
myself.
happy.
So
I ordered some pizza, went out to party with friends, and that's it.
Feeling same thing.
man was shivering. So it was a very happy day for me. But really relieving feeling for me that now I don't have to go through this every cycle.
I cried. I fell on the ground. That's it.
Friend Ravindran called me up from Shahjahan Road UPSC office at 12 o'clock in the middle of the night. The notice board they had struck the list of people who have cleared UPSC, and he asked my roll number, and I checked, and he told me that I'm cleared. So middle of the night I got the good news. 1994, I think it is June, right? So I was excited, but I knew I will clear it. So.
Long cherished dream came true. No words to explain. A sense of accomplishment, satisfaction, and happiness. The day when the entire TV channels there in Tamil Nadu descended to me for an interview, it was, I can never forget that moment. Short to fame was very, very good, but that came with some responsibility because we are into service.
Hi, I'm Sridhar. It was an unforgettable moment on that evening 7:09 p.m. I learned my result from my study partner. He used to tell me the result, and I was very much happy. Yeah. Still, I'm happy. Thank you.
I don't know.
She's just celebrating this at this moment.
Please share your thought.
I cried. I fell on the ground. That's it.
Hello, I'm Kajal Chawla. I got All India Rank 28 in the Civil Services exam last year. It's been 1 year exactly, and I guess it was around 7 p.m. when we got the result the same day last year, and I was in office. I had never believed that I'll clear the exam, and for the past 5 days I couldn't eat at all. I couldn't focus, I couldn't sleep. I was just counting minutes when the result would be out, and once I got the result, unless and until I had seen the result firsthand, because I got to know from one of my friends over call that I got in this rank, so I didn't believe it, and then it was a very happy moment. I was crying and laughing at the same time. It was beautiful.
So I am Pradeep, rank 74 last year. When the result came, I was actually driving. So my phone was constantly ringing and I was not able to pick up the call. So I was sure that I have got through, because phone was ringing and nobody calls when you are not in. So around 8:10 I reached home driving. Not home, actually my hostel, IDS hostel. And then people were waiting there, they hugged me. And then I asked them, what is my rank? Please tell me my rank. And then they told me my rank. So I was thankful that I got into IS. That was a huge moment of relief. The biggest point was that I don't have to appear for the exam again. And that was the biggest relief. Otherwise I was well settled in IDS and I was happy. But then yes, it was a very satisfactory moment, and thank God.
Hello everyone, my name is Sunaid Ahmed, and last year आज ही के दिन at that time. तो वहाँ academy में मैं था and I was in my room. So सुबह से चल ही रहा था कि रिजल्ट आने वाला है and then जब PDF आई तो हम लोग सर्च करते हैं कि नाम से कि डायरेक्टली आ जाए वहाँ पे. And when I opened the first page, directly I saw my name and उस वक्त मुझे लगा ही नहीं था कि मेरा नाम है. And then क्या हुआ कि रोल नंबर में चेक करने लगा and मैंने फिर अपना एडमिट कार्ड निकाला. 2 मिनट तक मुझे कंफर्म करने में लग गया था कि ये हाँ मेरा ही नंबर है. And then उसके बाद the first thing I did was call my parents and they were very happy. And उसके बाद तो calls आने शुरू हो गए थे और 2 दिन I didn't sleep at all. Calls और ये सारी चीज़ें थी. So it was a very nice thing. सारी चीज़ें जैसे हुई and आज 1 साल हो गया I'm in the academy और बहुत nostalgic लगता है जब I remember about that day. पूरा academy में किस तरीके से था and यहाँ आने के बाद academy में पूरा 1 साल 6-7 महीने होने वाले हैं ट्रेनिंग को. It's good रिजल्ट के बाद तक और यहाँ तक का फेज होता काफी अच्छा था.
I'm Lakshmi. So the results were out at around 7 o'clock on April 5th last year. I was playing badminton, so my friends just texted me that the results are out and you have to check right now. I didn't search for my roll number because I forgot what my roll number was. And then I searched for my name and it was 45 and it just made my day. Since then to now it's been an amazing year and I still can't, it hasn't sunk in that I'm into the administrative services. And this day would be memorable forever because the next day was my father's birthday and in every news channel that I went to, they were telling me that your father's birthday is on the next day and it's like a double treat and things like that. It's an unforgettable day and then I think the journey is just begun. Lot of things to do yet.
Hello everyone, this is Kanishk. So today is our first anniversary of the results came, 5th April 2019. I vividly remember around this time we got the result and 15-20 minutes after the result came out, like everyone in my house was silent and at that moment I just shouted as loud as I can and as I could and I think that moment was when that feeling sinked in that I have become an IAS and I have been able to achieve the dream that I always aimed for. It has been an amazing 1 year. I can't even express how I felt on that particular day and it was just still it's a very surreal moment for me and just getting into the service into IAS which I always dreamt of, I was able to achieve that dream, so that makes me proud even today. And this whole experience in the academy has been very good because we have I have met a lot of new people, made a lot of new friends, learned a lot of different things. So earlier my friend circle was restricted to a particular type of people. Here we have so many different experiences to share with people.
Hi everyone, my name is Srishti Jayanth Deshmukh and I'm going to describe the moment that I came to know about my result. So my best friend told me that I had got this rank and on phone we both started crying. It was a moment of shock, disbelief, but it was very pleasant one. I started shouting, I ran to my mother and I said, Mama, result aa gaya, aapka rank aa gaya. And then I was like, "Pehle jaake check kar fir se, confirm it." And then we started shouting. My neighbors came in. I called my father. It was a moment, that changed my life. A moment that would be forever etched in my memory. And it was amazing.
Nagarjun Miroda. So today is our first anniversary of UPSC GST. Obviously, I was very happy when I saw my name in the list and it was out of the world feeling. So we can't express that through words though. So it has been a wonderful year with all these beautiful people in the academy and catermates like Angshan. So all the best for everyone. Have a great life.
Expecting from the morning or 2-3 days back also, but there was one calmness present that time. Then the phone call started and I slept the next day, morning 3 a.m. Entire life
My name is Pramod. So when I was on a bus, then the results came. So for some reason when I opened the document I was not tense. Then I controlled F. my name and everything there. So I called my parents and switched off my phone for 3 hours. I didn't want to meet anyone. I just wanted to be with myself. I got down from the bus. I was in a temple town. I just went into the temple, and I was there for 3 hours. That's it. It was very surreal. It sank in after a long time. And after that, I went home. The first thing that my dad tells me on seeing me was that I put on weight and I need to reduce it. So yeah, that's cutting me down to size.
I am Suresh Shaji, and I was very happy when I saw the result. It was almost 2-3 years of preparation. And finally, when I saw my result, I was like, so I was thinking about what all I'll do in the coming weeks and finally some free time. I ordered some pizza, went out to party with friends, and that's it. I would say that preparation should be a very honest and dedicated process. It takes time, and there are failures. Even I failed 2 times. So if you continue and if you do your hard work, I think ultimately you will get through. So that is my tip to all aspiring students of UPSC.
Hello friends, I am Lakshya Singhal. I got selected last year in UPSC Civil Services, and then the result very much nervous. And while I was traveling and I was in the metro, when one of my friends called me to tell that I got rank 38. And at first instance I told him that यार फालतू मतलब मजे वगैरह मत ले क्योंकि serious matter है. So he told me check yourself. Then I checked and I couldn't believe that I got selected because my interview didn't go well.
Hello, I'm Vaishali.
Hi, I'm Amrit.
And we are here to recollect our memories from last year. So Amrit, how was it for you on 5th of April last year?
See, I'd been a nervous wreck since 1st April or so, and I was totally going crazy because the results were getting delayed. And my mother was there with me, my nephew, my bhabhi, and we were just sitting there, and I just saw that the PDF is out there. I didn't tell them the result is out. I just opened the PDF, I researched from my roll number, and I was like, okay, the result is out, and my rank is this, and I'm done. I mean, the first reaction was only relief, like supreme relief. Happiness came later, but yeah, I was just relieved.
I think मेरा reaction भी somewhat similar था कि I think there was a Telegram group which was speculating when the result will come out, and since 4 in the evening they were like the result can come out any moment, and it was hilarious beyond a point, after a point. But at around 7, I got a feeling that the result can come any moment. At that time I was sitting with my mother. I shifted to another room because I wanted to see the result alone. And I was in that Telegram group, and at 7:07 the PDF came. And I just opened the PDF and I scrolled, and I remember the names were on the 3rd page. Tab tak hi my breath was like really fast, and I read the top 10 names and I found my name there, and I just remember I shouted, Mama, I've got rank 8, and then I was like, let me check my roll number first, what if it's not me?
Yeah, I did that too.
Yeah, and then my father was in the office, I ran towards him, and then all the relatives came home. It was a very happy moment. The first reaction was like Amrit said, it was more of a relief that we are out of the process, and then it was happy.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Akash. I got rank 78 last year, and I am 2019 batch IAS. Last year on this exact same day, that is 5th of April 2019, we got our results, and it was a very happy day for me, happy moment also, and I was working in the election commission as a state service officer, and I had come home that day, and my friend called me and informed me about this result. It was a very happy day, but it was a long pending result for me because it was my 6th.
Hello, I am Javed Hussain. So last year, as I remember, I was with one of my seniors, and I was very much scared because I had failed 4 times in the examination. So I was sitting with him, and I told him that, sir, today the result is going to come, so I don't want to sit over here. Let's keep all the mobiles and everything aside. And we went for some chicken and something like that. But when we ordered something, suddenly he got a call. And then his reaction was, Kya? Javed? Acha, ho gaya selection? And then suddenly, I can't express how I started feeling. I had tears rolling down my eyes, and it was a very emotional moment. So यही कहना चाहूँगा यार कि जर्नी काफ़ी लंबी होती है, तो at any point of time you shouldn't give up, because when you get the result now, finally all the rewards, all the hard work you had put in over a period of time, that is something that you can taste, and that is something that cannot be expressed in words.
And I must say the life at Academy is worth all the hard work that I had put in. It is the best place that anybody could think of. Simply for the sake of coming here would be an extra sort of motivation for all the aspirants, I must say. It is too good here. It is too good. And the people over here are so much loving you. So I must say that at least have this thing at the back of your mind that you are going to enjoy the Mussoorie for a long period of time. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I'm Faman Brahma. So last year around this time we got our results. I was with my friends outside around this time, so anxiously the whole day I was waiting for my result, scrolling to the PDF pages and everything, and continuously refreshing the UPSC sites. Then immediately after a while, around 7:10 to 7:15, the results came out, and I tried to call my parents. Since I was outside, I tried to call my parents and inform them about the result, but the call to both my father and mother didn't go through, and it was surprising that they came to know about my result from one of my uncles. So there was a very big achievement in my life, and everyone from my family to my extended family, my friends, everyone was happy for me, and I was happy for myself that through my long arduous process of this UPSC preparation, I could get this result.
So myself Darun, and it is a complete makeover from the result to the day it's here. My hand was shivering. It was shivering hands and the ever wide open eyes. Was able to read my name. It was a wonderful moment actually. The dream come true moment, and I truly cherish it.
On the day of the results, we both were together while giving interview to the TV channels. Again, now we are together. It was a dream that started in 2017 and finally it got realized 2 years later in 2019. And this year has just gone too good. Being here in Lavasana is like, again, a dream come true. I suppose everybody who is seeing it will definitely achieve it. Go you can.
My name is Vishal. I got rank 63 last year. So when the results was due, already people were talking that results are going to come. So on 4th also the same sense of excitement was there and anxiety was there, and same was applied to 5. And we were not unable to prepare. We were sitting in the library, but me and my friends who appeared for interview just got too excited, so we went just to room to relax and maybe order food because it was some sort of stress setting going on. By the evening when the results finally came and everybody actually posted it, so my phone was in my phone it was I was unable to open, but my friend, he actually searched his name. He couldn't make it, but on the other hand he searched my name and it was on the 3rd place. He just told me and I was very happy, very excited, and then I called my mom and dad and they were also very happy, although they forgot to tell me congratulations also. But then the night was just, I was unable to sleep and I just enjoyed with my friends.
Hi, my name is Jalal. I got the result from a call given by my friend at 7 p.m. I returned from my job and then I was very happy.
My name is Vaidinegi. After seeing the PDF last year, and just after seeing I first called my dad, told him I might have got 13th rank, I'm not quite sure. Let me check, verify it, and then I verified it 3 more times and then went for my relieved, kind of retired. All of a sudden I was aimless.
My name is Prateek Var. Last year the results got declared at the same time, in the last, and it was evening actually. I was traveling back to my home from my service, cadre. I was working in Danix and it was really exciting actually. I was on the way when the result got declared, and when I reached home everybody was waiting for me and it was all fun. Pretty much excitement actually. It left me numb for almost like three hours.
Everyone, Anuraj here. So last year I was in Forest Academy. Around this time we had returned from our sports and we were all sitting together, those who had given the interviews, and there were constantly updates on Telegram that the UPSC board is getting cleaned, they're installing lights. All of us were getting a bit anxious, and suddenly at 7 hours and 19 hours and 9 minutes the result PDF came, and I was very happy to find my name there. The only relief was that I do not have to study for prelims again. Actually I had started reading the vision booklets for the prelims, and so everyone was happy.
Hi everyone, I am Shubham Gupta. Last year, exactly 1 year ago, on the same date, the results had come out for Civil Services 2018 exam, and I found my name on the list. This was my 4th attempt and probably the last. My first reaction after that was to call my dad and my mom and tell them ho gaya. I think this was the first overwhelming feeling which I had. The next was the fact that the cycle is done. I am done with the cycle. This was my 4th attempt. I had not cleared prelims in the first and 3rd attempt. Second, I got sorted in accounts. So it was a very relieving feeling for me that now I don't have to go through the cycle, 1 year cycle over and over again. And this was it. It's really a great feeling to know that you have achieved what you wanted to achieve and you have struggled for a significant number of years in your life. I was really looking forward to being in the academy, Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration. It is a dream place for me, and now I'm here. So looking back 1 year, it really feels great as to what I wanted to aspire for, and what I am doing right now. So dreams do become reality when you struggle for it, when you work for it, when you have the patience and perseverance.
I'll just ask all the aspirants that whatever you dream of, just go for it, and I'm sure that you will be able to achieve it. So best of luck, thank you, just go for it and always work hard, stay optimistic and always be confident about your abilities. Thank you.
You know, even you will be there and can be there next year. None of us expected our names to be there in the list at the time when we saw the list. So it just happens, just working hard. That's
Keep
it.
working hard and all the best.
All the best.
Keep working hard, what else? Your day will come for sure if you do it with the right intention, right attitude, good spirit, physically and mentally.
I cleared the exam in my 5th attempt, so there's still hope for everyone there.
For the aspirants, for all of you, I would love to tell you that, in this time, stay positive, stay calm, and this is a time of isolation. You're staying alone or maybe with your family. Utilize this time to the fullest. Stay positive, don't lose hope, and all the very best to you.
जो नए एस्पिरेंट्स हैं जो प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं उनके लिए मेरा मैसेज यही है कि आप जो भी कर रहे हैं, प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, एटलीस्ट ये भी दिमाग में रखिए कि एकेडमी की मेमोरीज क्या होंगी, आपके रिजल्ट की मेमोरीज क्या होंगी. तो हर एक चीज़, छोटी से छोटी प्रिपरेशन है, रिजल्ट है, उसको एक जर्नी की तरह देखिएगा. उसको वो जो मेमोरीज आपके रहेंगी वो हमेशा लाइफ टाइम के लिए रहेंगी. तो एंजॉय दैट.
And for all those who are preparing, I just want to convey the message that just keep on going. One day or the other, definitely you will achieve your results. Just keep on persevering, keep working hard, and definitely one day you will see your name in the video list.
Like there's no guarantee of success, but anyway, there's certainly a hope for success. I think everyone has made it here. I've only hoped, hope and then work towards it. Just keep it going, keep it going. It will eventually crystallize, and then when it crystallizes, you feel very excited. Keep it going.
Please have patience and perseverance, and please be happy to be whatever that you're doing, because heaven doesn't stay in Mussoorie or Labasna. Heaven stays wherever you are. If you are actually happy, and after you come here, definitely you'll be enjoying this academy and this service as such.
Keep working hard and don't look that what will happen in the future or what is going to be. Just do your bit and everything will be fine. Thank you.
So for all the aspirants who are watching me right now, I just have 3 words for you which I keep repeating every time. Commitment, patience and perseverance. Those are the words that will take you through and get you the success that you really deserve.
There's a famous Tirukkural in Tamil Nadu which states Devathal Ahadeninu Muyachithan Meivaruthu Kulitharu, which says that even if God doesn't support you, if you do hard work, you will definitely achieve your dreams.